This one has not been replaced. So this is a downstairs. Like this is upstairs. This is a downstairs. Like.
Yeah.
Let's get to the data. It looks like it's from 2011.
This one
I
is.
think this is 2011.
This one's from 2002. Week
2011. 2011. Week 28. So.
I guess this one's never been replaced.
Yeah. This is 2000 what?
2002.
That's how. That means that's that's how old house is. Old house. That's how old the house is. I want to see if I can get it shut down. Is it a heat pump or? It's heat pump. You might get this thing a defrost. It's when winter. Oh, you placed grass here?
Yeah.
We just wanted to do that.
For a while.
Heat pump or heat pump? What is it? Where is it at again? R39 or whatever that says.
My mom found a tick in her bed the other day.
Really? Ticks are everywhere apparently.
Yeah, they're really bad.
Cause I had one on my.
So
I got
a chance to like bleed and everything.
What has?
The ticks, like they were out the whole time. Because usually in the winter they go away for a while.
Yeah.
Since we're out of warm weather.
Too curious. Yeah, no wonder I found one. Like one was on me and it freaked me out.
Well,
Earlier
it's
today-
worse when you have animals because they go out pretty much and then get it on them.
Well, actually earlier I knocked a praying mantis off my arm.
Yeah, there was a baby one that jumped down on me.
Yeah, it's actually kind of cool. I like let it sit on my arm for a minute.
Yeah, they bite you, so. One bit my dad and he was bleeding for a while.
I knocked it off before it did. It looked like it was about to.
Yeah, it probably was.
About to.
Yeah.
Actually, just for a sake,
Tons
why
of ants,
not?
Tons of ants, tons of ants. Woo.
I'll go ahead and show you maybe these ones a bit. They got a Dakin down there and an Amana. See, air conditioners are kind of interesting when you think about it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they're actually pretty cool,
My mom has
the way they work.
3.
Good. At once I was going to go record those two, but I might save that for a different time. But I don't even know them. So,
I'll keep watch if you want to hurry up and go do it.
yeah, I don't know. I'll decide. I'm just gonna look at these. See, that's a 3.5 ton probably. Actually, now that I realize it, we haven't even been looking at the tons.
Get off your phone.
I'll look at that in the editing, since I really haven't. What?
Wait, you don't really know exactly how to read them, do you?
Not completely, but some of it. Still learning a bit. Oh, they're both on. They're quite big. With compressor or something yet? Go ahead and show you the data. 3.5 maybe. Oh! 01! 2001. 2001. I didn't actually look at it. Heat pump. We're talking heat pump. So 01 and 04, 2004. This one's actually newer. Okay. One of them are actually newer. The big one is from 2001 and the little one is from 2004. So no wonder it has
Wait,
little.
but that house wasn't even made in 2000.
I know, so possibly they got the AC replaced once. Maybe it died for like, whatever they call it.
That house wasn't even made in 2001.
I mean, the AC could still be a bit.
Yeah, but it's like.
I don't know, I'm still deciding if I should go see the Dakin and the Amana. I don't know. There's a lot of ACs in this yard, in this neighborhood. Well, somewhere over there they got like a Lennox Elite series. I've seen it through the car. I might save those two for a different time.
Let's do like a special. Let's see if we can find the neighbors that's like not like.
Theirs is in their backyard.
Cross the road real quick. 'Cause no one's home.
Over there?
Yeah.
Sure. I don't know. Yeah, this basically is a special sense. I could. The things are right over there. Actually, those ones are really weird. If you want to see more of these videos, then subscribe. Huh?
There should be something that can help us over here somewhere.
About what?
Oh, where to go, where to go, where to go, where to go.
Hmm.
Hold on. I'll tell you if I can't find it.
Well, what are you looking about anyway? Just a little bit. Earlier uploaded the training video, so today might be a special. Little bacon. What are you looking for in the first place?
Something.
Okay then. So, I've been in many neighborhoods. Yeah, actually, I've never even seen a Daikin with a weather shield on it. So, that'll be the first up close Daikin with a weather shield. I've seen one a long time ago with a side logo, but I've never seen one with the top. So that's gonna be the first seeing that. Yeah, either way, here's a little side look. Let's go.
Oh, I saw the Chinese lanterns.
Hampton Bay.
My slingshot still. Does not seem like.
Yeah, it's turned off. This is next to the house we live at, so we can check it out freely. Don't have to worry about anything. This thing's got a tiny blade. Worrying about tick season. I call it tick season. Well, oh, that's a tiny compressor. It's got a whole bunch of stuff in there. What kind of compressor? Copeland? What? Huh?
An animal's been digging.
Holy crap, what if it gets on my phone? Recording that?
Yeah.
Oh
So
my
now we can see what's. I was actually about to get on there, but now I've just lost all interest because of that.
He's chasing us. Run!
Go. Hoorah! There's a. There's a big.
Aiden, your head